long nights, I sit here, watching each gust of wind blow across the threshold, missing your eyes like the stars in the sky, carrying a dream that hazily passes through your hands. We once promised to love forever, but why is there only a void left now? Sweet memories now turned into pain. I still love you, still can't forget you. I miss the memories, where can I find you? All that remains here are cold echoes. Even though I love you so much, even though I miss you so much, but why can't we be together forever? Maybe our fate, like the leaves at the end of the season, the wind blows us apart and we lose each other forever. I love you, even though it will not change for 1,000 years. I just hope you are happy, even though you are no longer mine. I know it's not easy to forget someone. The love is deeply engraved in my heart, but every time I remember, my heart aches. The more I try to forget you, the more I miss you. We used to say, never apart. Now I'm alone in the midst of waiting. The long road ahead without you. I stand here with the sadness that never goes away. In the midst of missing you, where can I find you? All that remains here are cold echoes. Even though I love you so much, even though I'm speechless, but why can't we be together forever? Maybe our fate, like the leaves at the end of the season, the wind blows us apart and we lose each other forever. I love you, even though it will not change for 1,000 years. I only hope you're happy, even though you're no longer mine. Maybe our fate, like the leaves at the end, all that remains here are cold echoes. Even though I love you so much, even though I'm speechless, but why can't we be together forever? Maybe our fate, like the leaves at the end of the season, the wind blows us apart and we lose each other forever. I love you, even though it will not change for 1,000 years. I only hope you are happy, even though you are no longer mine. Those days I still remember, those smiles are now just memories. If possible, please once more, I wanna see you once to say, I miss the memories, where can I find you? All that remains here are cold echoes. Although I love you so much, although I miss you so much that I can't speak, but why can't we be together forever? Perhaps our fate is like the leaves at the end of the season. The wind blows us apart and we lose each other forever. I love you, even though you are no longer mine. There are long nights, I sit here, watching each gust of wind blow across the threshold, missing your eyes like the stars in the sky, carrying a dream that hazily passes through your hands. We once promised to love forever, but why is there only a void left now? Sweet memories now turned into pain. I still love you, still can't forget you. I miss the memories, where can I find you? All that remains here are cold echoes. Even though I love you so much, even though I miss you so much, but why can't we be together forever? Maybe our fate, like the leaves at the end of the season, the wind blows us apart and we lose each other forever. I love to forget someone. The love is deeply engraved in my heart, but every time I remember my heart aches. The more I try to forget you, the more I miss you. We used to say, never apart. Now I'm alone in the midst of waiting. The long road ahead without you. I stand here with the sadness that never goes away. In the midst of missing you, where can I find you? All that remains here are cold echoes. Even though I love you so much, even though I'm speechless, but why can't we be together forever? Maybe our fate, like the leaves at the end of the season. The wind blows us apart, and we lose each other forever. I love you, even though it will not change for 1,000 years. I only hope you're happy, even though you're no longer mine. Maybe our fate, like the leaves at the end. All that remains here are cold echoes. Even though I love you so much, even though I'm speechless, but why can't we be together forever? Maybe our fate, like the leaves at the end of the season. The wind blows us apart, and we lose each other forever. I love you, even though it will not change for 1,000 years. I only hope you are happy, even though you are